Good day, sir. I'm going to discuss about the tide table. By the way, this is a tide table. Example of tide table. What is tide table? A tide table publication is a document that provides predicted tides and heights of high and low tides for specific locations, typically a coastal area. It's an essential tool for mariners. Also, a tide table is a crucial tool for seafarers, providing essential information on predicted times and heights for specific locations. This information is vital for safe navigation, especially when arriving at port. Importance of tide tables. 1 is safe navigation, 2 is port entry planning, and 3rd is draft management. Safe navigation. Knowing the predicted times and heights helps seafarers navigate safely, avoiding grounding or stranding. Port entry planning. Tide tables enable seafarers to plan their arrival at a port, taking into account the tide cycle and ensuring safe passage. Draft management. By knowing the tide heights, seafarers can make their vessels draft, ensuring safe passage through channels and berthing areas. Example, arrival at port. Let's say a seafarer is arriving at a port with a shallow entrance channel. By consulting the tide table, they can determine the best time to enter the port and the safe passage planning. Best time to enter the port. The seafarer can plan their arrival to coincide with high tide, ensuring sufficient water depth or safe passage. Safe passage planning. Knowing the predicted tide heights, the seafarer can plan the route, avoiding shallow areas and ensuring safe passage. In summary, tide tables are not merely a helpful tool, but a critical safety and operational necessity for seafarers. They provide the essential data needed to plan safe and efficient port arrivals, minimizing risk and maximizing operational efficiency.